Hello and welcome to the Gericke Group, your partner for powder processing technology. We are a successful family business with 130 years of experience in the development and manufacturing of pneumatic conveying technology, feeders, and mixing systems. Our customers value energy efficiency, dust-free systems, occupational safety, and process quality. I am proud of our qualified employees who are constantly looking for new innovations and optimization for process engineering applications. We offer you individual solutions for your powder processes, from planning and project management to commissioning. By this, we take the strain off your resources and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Our systems are characterized by low energy consumption, consistent work safety, and high output. We guarantee you optimum bulk material quality and maximum system availability. Take advantage of the opportunity to carry out trials in one of our test centers. Here, you can test your plant processes with our machines, obtain data on performance, and compare different variants. This allows you to convince yourself of the quality and efficiency of your solutions and make the right selection for your application. Our test centers are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and are supervised by experienced engineers. I cordially invite you to visit us. Have a nice day.